Hello everyone, let me have a look at you. Oh, now you're having a look at my workspace. Hello! That's it. That's the video. No. We're looking at absolute values today, and if you didn't understand it from the first two videos I set, the absolute value of something is literally that thing with, I don't care if it's a negative or positive, it's going to be the same. For example, the absolute value of 3 is just 3, but if they'd said the absolute value of -3, that would have also been 3. Absolute values essentially just get rid of negatives, sorry. So this one's, oh, I wish I'd seen that, 3 as well. So it's literally, pretend this is 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. It's anything that's 3 units away from the 0 mark on a number line. So if you did 4 take 7, well, that would come out as -3. And the absolute value of -3 is 3. If you did 7 take 4, then that's 3, which is just 3. If you did 14 take 9 take 12, that's -7, which is 7. Look, we've moved away from 3. Huzzah. -7 plus 8, well, that's the absolute value of 1, which is 1. I need something better to make that look like a 1. 3 squared take 5 squared. Well, that comes out as the absolute value of -16, which is 16. And 11 take 16 take 8. Well, the absolute value of 11 take 16 is -5 take 8, which comes out as, well, 5 take 8, which is -3. It comes out as negative because the take 8 was afterwards. Okay, so for question 2a, oh, look, 2a, I'm just going to do my number lines here. Oh, no, I'll do them here. If they say, and I'd like you to follow this same process, it's honestly, it seems weird to start with, but when it gets harder later on, this is the process that I've found people get least confused with. So the question is saying the absolute value of x equals 1, which means positive x equals 1 or negative x equals 1. So, well, positive x equals 1 is already x equals 1, or x equals -1. There are two answers for 2a. Because the thing inside the absolute value sign could have been a positive or a negative. Positive or a negative. For 2b, let's have a look. The absolute value of x equals 3. So x could have equaled +3 or negative x could have equaled 3. So x could equal +3 or x could equal -3. You get to a point where you don't need to write all this working out. Down for 2c, we've got the absolute value of 4x equals 8. So positive 4x equals 8 or negative 4x equals 8. So x will be +2 or x will be -2. If I can write. 2d, we're going to do the same way. So they're saying the absolute value of 2x equals 10. So either +2x equals 10 or -2x equals 10, which means x equals 5 or x equals -5. 2e, not a surprise. So here they're saying the absolute value of 2x equals -6. Now, this is actually impossible. No, it equals Oh, sorry, I just realised that the advanced and extension books are different. In the advanced book, you've just got it coming up as +6, and in the extension book, you've got it coming up as -6. Not possible. The absolute value of something will never come out as a negative. And 2f, so they're saying the absolute value of 3x equals -12. Again, not possible. I'm trying to think of if they've just, stuffed up the printing. But anyway, the way it's written in the extension textbook, it's not possible. In the advanced textbook, it'd just be x equals, well, for 2e, it'd be x equals +3 and -3. And for 2f, it'd be x equals +4 and -4. That's questions 1 and 2.